Boy budgies bob their heads. Spend a few hours with your budgie, and you will definitely start to pick up on their manner. One of which is head bobbing, and we will discuss why they do this in today's article. How do budgies bob their heads? Budgies bob their heads for a variety of reasons. It is mostly a trait of male budgies. However, the females do it too. It is a ritual of courtship that a male does to impress the female. Baby budgies do this when they are hungry and asking parents for food. It could also be a sign of medical condition like cystic infections or seizures. Budgies really love to sing, and sometimes they sing to themselves. Other times they sing for their fellow cage mates. Some enjoy more than others. Some do it as a means of entertainment, play, and socialization among their peers. Some even incorporate with other sounds along with trills, tweets, croaks, and screeches. And the best part, head bobbing is part of his act of singing. Male may even sing to other males as a means of showing off. It is a completely natural behavior and has several different meanings when buddies do it. The act of head bobbing, a deeper look. The bobbing of the head among female and male budgies is a method of courtship, and if the male succeeds in impressing the female and she enjoys the dance, both of the birds will feed another and then eventually participate in the act of mating. This ritual will go on and on until eggs are laid. Adult budgies are not the only age group who will bob their heads. Baby budgies do this when they are on the lookout for food and begging parents for some nourishment. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.